My MD was beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Be sure to like, be sure to comment, share and subscribe to my channel because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and it's taking like way too long right now. I'm just saying. I mean, you clicked on this video, so you might as well subscribe. I mean, I'm just saying. Guys, it was my MD last week. If you haven't seen the video, before you carry on onto this video, just go check out my video, my MD video. It's in the link down below. If it's not up here somewhere on the screen, go check out my MD video vlog before you check out this video, because this video is all about how I flourished and transformed into this beautiful being and how you can also flourish on your MD day. My MD was beautiful. It was glorious. It was amazing. Hey guys, it was, this video is all about how I can help you guys have that spice nyana, that thing, that sauce, that, you know what I'm saying, Okay, first of all, let me show you just a quick clip just to remind you guys of what happened, how I looked, how I executed everything. My dress was amazing, and it was made by the none other Karabo, but her business is Omuhle. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys. I'm not Zulu, so I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, Karabo. But Karabo was very understanding. I told her add this, she added that. I told her to take away this, she took away that. She was very understanding and she helped me here and there when I was confused. And guys, she's just the best, okay? Like, she's the best kind of designer to have if you're under stress and you don't know what kind of dress you want, and you don't know what to add on your details or whatever not, and your head is all over the place. Karaba is the best person. Like, yo guys, Karaba saved my life. That was the one, guys. So if you guys want to know her, if you guys want to contact her about your dresses, doesn't have to be MD dresses, literally can be any dress, probably not a wedding dress, but I will link down her Instagram handle and her business Instagram handle in my description box below. Be sure to go check it out because Garawa did the things, guys. I mean, did you see my dress though? A tip that I can give you girls is that do not wait until the last minute. Like, do not wait until the last minute, because you might be like, no, I trust this person, she's done my dress, whatever. Anything can go wrong. Somebody could get sick, somebody could mix the designs up. Literally anything can go wrong. And let me tell you, things go wrong when it's like last minute and when it's like the biggest day, one of your biggest days of your life. So don't do things last minute, as I believe, guys. I contacted Karabo in July, somewhere there, and my MD is only in September. So you see, I gave her like a 3 month, 2 month leeway to do the things, whatever. And luckily for me, she was quick. It was just minor mishaps that happened, like with the size and everything. But the beauty of doing things in time is you have time to fix sizes, you have time to do alterations, you have time to add stuff you want to add stuff, you have time to fix things basically. So my dress was done in August, and the alterations took like literally 2 weeks, and then I still had my dress month end of August, and it was sitting in my closet until the MD, and I was ready, guys. Everything was good. So my point is, don't leave things to the last minute. Best believe me, you do not want to leave that dress to the last minute. If you have a date, guys, discuss things in time. I know it's gonna sound crazy and you're gonna sound so paranoid and whatever, but discuss things with your date, because I've seen dates, guys. Yeah. I don't want to mention names, but I've seen people with dates, and one rocks up in a pink dress and the date rocks up in a green suit. Guys, discuss with your date what he's going to wear, what she's going to wear, so that you guys can, even if you don't match, you can have colors that blend in with one another, you know what I'm saying? So discuss things with your date in time, and like reach to like a mutual agreement, because you don't want your date also wearing something that they don't want to wear. Next thing is my hair. I ordered my hair from Deluxe Hair Studio. I will link the Instagram handle down below in the description box. So I ordered the hair a week before my MD. My MD was on the 14th, so I probably ordered around like the 2nd of September or something like that. So I ordered it that morning around like 10, and it arrived hours later. I'm not even joking, it arrived hours later. So if you guys do last minute things and you don't have a wig, if you do want to wear a weave or whatever, you can go to Deluxe Hair Studio, which I wouldn't recommend for you to do things last minute, but anyway, if you want to do things last minute, like these people, the same day though, the same day. I just don't know if it's only in the Gauteng province or in other provinces as well. Probably may be difficult, but yeah, my weave is a Peruvian brownish wig. Wow. Brownish wig. It's a 20-inch wig. On my MD day, it didn't look like 20 inches because I had it all curled up, so it looked a little bit shorter, and I tied it up like this. But it's a 20-inch, and I really like it. Like it's beautiful. It's doing the things. It's doing the things. And then my nails. I got my nails done at Sobe. A family friend, or an aunt rather, was very kind enough to sponsor me for my nails. If the camera can just dang focus. Here we go. Yeah, so I got my nails done at Sobe, and the service was amazing. It was super different, as some music can say. So yeah, I love my nails. They're very pretty. They're over the top for myself, because, but yes, guys, they're very nice. My makeup was done by Libuhali. She's my friend. I always talk about her on this channel. You've seen her in my pictures and all. Because guys, yeah. Makeup artists are expensive, okay? Makeup artists, literally, if you go to Edgar's, if you go to Colors, if you go to MAC, they range from about 350 to 1,000 rand, apparently, some 1.3. So I was just like, no guys, I'm not gonna spend this much money on just makeup. I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna do that to myself and my bank account. I'm sorry. So I asked my friend to do my makeup, and she rocked it. Thank you so much, Mbali. I will also link her Instagram down in the description box. And guys, you don't have to spend that much money on your MD. Like, if you find ways to do things in a cheaper way or for free, do it. As long as you look good on the day, it doesn't matter if that thing costs 10,000 rand or if it costs 50 rand. Honestly, just do your best to look good in the cheapest way possible, because at the end of the day, it's really not worth it to spend like 10 grand on your MD. If it was your wedding, sure, go out, girl, do your thing. My car, the Mustang, the silver Mustang, the V8 goes. Oh, guys, did you that car, guys? Yeah. I am so thankful and grateful for my dad because he's the one who was handling the car. How he found it, I really don't know. But if you guys want more information about how we got the car, if you need it, how much it is, send me a DM or an email. My Instagram handle is down below in the description box, and my email address is also down below in the description box that you can just click right here, actually, just the drop down button there. Yeah, and right while you're still there, you can also click the subscribe button, and also while you're still there, you might as well just click the bell button so you can get post notifications every time I post a new video. Yeah, guys, I wanted a professional photographer. I wanted drones flying in the air. I wanted 16,000 cameras just flashing, you know. But in the world we live in, everything costs money. Also, photographer was expensive, hella expensive, and I was just like, no. I have a camera. Okay, I have a camera. I have a good friend who takes good pictures. I have a good friend who has a brother who takes good pictures, and they can do the things, they can take the video, they can edit. So I'm like, friend, let's do the things. So my friend Sile and his little brother Sine were kind enough to take my pictures and take the video and edit it as well. The video that you watched, my MD video, was edited and everything was shot and edited by Sile. He is simply the best. Him and Sina are just simply the best. If it wasn't for them, I would have died. My bank account would have honestly cried. But it was really worth it. Guys, come on. Come on. My shoes and my clutch bag, I got them from YDE. My earrings and rings, I got them from Lovisa. So what you would need in your clutch bag, nothing much. You just need your phone, your lipstick, your power bank. Hey guys, bring a power bank because you don't want your phone to die and then you're like, I look amazing and I want to take pictures, and then now I can't take pictures because my phone died. Take a power bank, a very small one that can fit in your bag, and take some tissues. You don't really need much, honestly. Then that morning you need to treat yourself. Wake up, not early in the morning, but like wake up like feeling fresh. Don't stress. Drink your tea, drink your water, drink your coffee, whatever relaxes you. I took a nap, so take a nap if you really need to take a nap. Take a shower, like treat yourself and don't stress. Okay, I stressed a lot about time, but if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't be stressing. And yeah, try not to stress. Have fun, even at the actual MD. Try not to look at your phone because you want to experience the moment, like it's your last chance, like ever, once in a lifetime type of thing. So try to be off your phone unless if you're taking pictures, and yeah, just try to be in the moment, try to relax, try to have fun with your friends, and yeah. And for those who are wondering, like, where did you keep your clothes for the after party, whatever, like I said, I went to my friend's after party at her house, so I was lucky enough about that. So I just dropped my clothes off at a friend's place, and then after the MD we just went to her house and we changed and we just went to go have some fun at the party, and then we came back. And then yeah, for those who are going to a club or whatever, that's you can either take your clothes to the MD, put it under your table and change at the venue, or you can just ask your parents, if you're that comfortable with them, to bring your clothes and you can change at the venue as well. So yeah, I really hope I didn't forget anything, guys. Yay, I hope I didn't forget anything. If I did forget something, just DM me and I'll answer your questions. Do that. So yeah, guys, and my MD was at the Birchwood Hotel here in Boxburg, and it was okay. It was okay, I guess. It was okay, but it was a fun night, Jim. It was a fun night. The biggest question I always got was, did you go to your after party? And yes, I did go to my after party. It was at a friend's house, which was more safer and I don't know, more convenient for me, I guess, and my friends. So yeah, I went to the after party and then I slept over at a friend's house. It was fun, it was chilled, it was okay. So I enjoyed my MD night. So guys, if you want to rock your MD night, yes, you have to look good, you have to look amazing, but like also remember guys, you don't have to spend that much amount of money, because I know the pressure gets to you guys. Yeah, 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 especially if you go to a rich kid school. Yeah, 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 guys. You'll feel the pressure, son. Yeah, 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 yeah. Don't play like that. So don't feel the pressure. Your focus should be looking good, feeling comfortable with how you are, and like honestly just feeling confident and feeling awesome about yourself. Like you want to look in the mirror and be like, okay, honey love, you look snazzy. So if you want more questions about the MD, DM me, do things, and yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. um Remember guys, enjoy your MD. It's like the one and only night that you can have to spend with your friends and your family and yourself and have fun, like have fun. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Big shout out goes to all the people that are involved in my MD, especially my parents guys. My parents are the best. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next upcoming videos. I have so many things planned for you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.